Hello, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set up Google Ads remarketing and dynamic remarketing using Google Tag Manager. This setup is essential if you want to recover lost sales and re-engage users who have already visited your website. Remarketing allows you to reach people who have previously interacted with your site or your products. Let's go step by step. Inside your Google Ads dashboard, go to the left-hand menu and click on Data Manager. In the new interface, the old Your Data Source section has been replaced by Data Manager. Next, locate the Google Tag section and click on Manage. Here you'll find your tag ID. The value we need is the destination ID, the one that starts with AW-. Important, the conversion ID is only the number part, without the AW- prefix. So in this case, the conversion ID would be something like 966100317. Copy this number. It will be the key to connecting Google Ads to your website. Now let's configure the base remarketing tag. Open your Google Tag Manager account. Go to Tags and select your Google Ads remarketing tag. In the conversion ID field, paste the number you just copied. Remember, numbers only, no AW-. After that, click Save. For standard remarketing, pay close attention. The trigger must always be set to all pages. This ensures that every visitor to your website is tagged. Now let's move on to dynamic remarketing. Dynamic remarketing allows you to show users the exact products they viewed or added to their cart. Make sure to copy your conversion ID, as we'll use it again in the next step. If you run an online store and want to set this up in GTM, open your dynamic remarketing tag. Paste your conversion ID again and make sure the Send Dynamic Remarketing Event Data checkbox is enabled. Next, you'll need to select the event value and event items variables coming from your data layer. If you're using our WooCommerce Data Layer plugin, this part becomes much easier. All dynamic e-commerce parameters, such as product IDs, values, and events, are automatically sent. In other words, you don't need to manually configure the dynamic remarketing items. The event items variable is already set up. Once everything is configured, click Save. With your tags configured, go back to Google Ads and go to the Audience Manager. You'll soon start seeing your audience list populate automatically. And that's it. Your remarketing setup is now ready to run. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like. See you in the next video.